Okay, we're trying to send a print job to my Ender-5 from my computer using Cura, and I've been having problems with it. Creality asked me for a video, so I'm making this video to show them what's happening. So at first, of course, there's nothing happening. It's connected to the computer via the COM port through USB, of course, at COM3, and it's starting to print right now. As you can see, it's moving and nothing. It's moving, but there's nothing. And let me come closer there. Right, it's just doing absolutely nothing. I wish I could show you somehow the top of the print. Huh. Well, let me just abort the print, and I'll show you that there is nothing printed. Well, I'm going to have to disconnect the USB connection to show you. And I'm going to turn it off. The whole thing. And all it gave me was a little junk, but no printed thing. It's just pathetic. You can see that. There's nothing here. Nothing whatsoever. All right.